Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. As usual, today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future as a weekly update from 6th March to 10th March 2023. How did you do last week? Did you become profitable last week? Do you have any planning for this week? How you are trading this week? Whether you are going for bullish side or bearish side? In order to make our decision, we need to consider the chart. Next thing is that we need to know what type of data are going to be released, and next one is the market sentiment or the traders sentiments. These are three things that need to be analyzed before entering into the market. Okay, so today I'm going to analyze these three things, and based on these three things I will predict for this week. Okay guys, before analyzing and predicting, let's quickly check what type of data are going to be released this week, and then chart that is just in front of us. We will check this chart and then we'll discuss about market sentiment also. Okay, so on Monday there is no major data. As Tuesday, Fed Chair Powell testifies. Wednesday, ADP non-farm employment change. Fed Chair Powell testifies and crude oil inventory. Thursday, initial jobless claim, and on Friday there are two data: non-farm payroll and employment rate. Okay, so these are the data, and then out of this data, Fed Chair Powell testifies that is the major event or the major news that will drive the market. Okay, so we need to focus on this one, and Thursday and Tuesday it is expected to be highly volatile, and rest of the data they are expected to be moderate, not that much changes we expect. If unexpected data, then market will be further volatile. Otherwise, other data they are not that much changing. They are not changing that much. They are expected to be moderate. Only Fed Chair Powell testifies on that time. When it is released, that time it will be highly volatile, and then that will direct the market whether it is going for bullish side or bearish side. We can find some glimpses where the market is going in this week. Okay guys, so we have checked the data, and then the data they are going to be moderate, and under the concern that's Powell's testifies. Okay, so that will be the major event, and then that will make the market highly volatile. Okay, so at the moment the market is 12,300 level. 12,300 level, it is just above the strong support point, that is 12,200. Okay, so it is expected to continue on Monday also. Okay, this bullish movement is expected to continue on Monday also, but before continuing it is expected to touch a 12,200 level. So if it touches a 12,200 level, just put your stop loss in 12,150 level and go in buying side. But before entering into the buying side, just you need to check whether this strong support level will be broken or not. If it is broken, then you should not go in buying side. You need to go in selling side as soon as it crosses this level. If it can't hold 12,200 level, then put your stop loss in 12,250 and go in selling side. Okay guys, but as it holds, it is strong support level. That's the reason. As it holds, then it is the buying opportunity, and put your stop loss just 50-60 points down, like at in 12,150 level, and go in buying side. Okay, because it is expected. Okay, so still the market sentiment is bullish until the Fed Powell's testifies a release until that time, so it is expected to be bullish, and then if it continues, then we can say 12,600 level, and if testifies also shows some bullish signal, then it will cross this level and it will touch 12,800 at this level. Okay, so just put your stop loss in 12,150 level and go in buying side, and when it reaches 12,600 level, just you can exit from that level. Okay, you can exit that level because market is highly volatile, and then from this level, okay, if it can't cross this level, it is expected market to fall very hard. What we need to understand is at the moment the inflation is still high, the interest rate is also high, and if Fed is going to raise another 0.50 interest, then market will fall very hard. That's the reason when it reaches resistance level 12,600 level, then it is better to exit from the market, wait and see whether it crosses this level or not. If it crosses this level, then you can jump in the buying side again, but if it doesn't, then you need to go in selling side. Just to put your stop loss 12,650 this level and go in selling side. Okay, so we need to trade like this, and next thing is that when it crosses 12,200 this level, when it goes below 12,200 level, so you need to understand that market will change. Okay, market sentiment is changing from bullish to bearish. That's the reason we can see next level 12,000, and if it cross this level, then we can see 11,700 at this level. Okay, so this is the planning for this week. So now let's quickly check the prediction or the summary of this video. So prediction, the general weekly data are expected to be moderate, as I already told you, but the major market driven factor will be the Powell's testifies, which makes the market highly volatile. That's the reason I recommend everybody to consider and use trade sides. Okay, market has entered bullish zone. At the moment market is in bullish zone until it crosses the 12,200 level. Okay, if it holds at that level, then it is still bullish zone, and the testifies confirms whether it will continue or the big drop. Okay, if it can't, okay, if the testifies doesn't support, then it will be big drop. You need to understand. Immediate support level at 12,200 level is a very strong support level, but as it crosses this level, then the market sentiment that will be changed from bullish to bearish, and failing to hold this level will trigger to 12,000 followed by 11,700 level this week. Selling opportunity in 12,800 level. If it reaches that level, you'll have a good selling opportunity there. Okay, 12,600 level, that will be another selling opportunity, and 12,200 level, that's also another selling opportunity, and the target will be 11,700. Buying opportunities at 11,700 as it touches that level and holds. Just I recommend you to buy, but failing to hold at that level will trigger 11,500. Next buying opportunity 12,000 and 12,200 with the target 12,400. When you see this level, from this level we can try buying. Okay, when we see this level and when we see this level are holding, that this video is helpful you to understand Nasdaq 100 future for this week. Do your own research and trade carefully. If you like this video, thumb up, If you have any question or feedback, write down in the comment box. I'll try to respond as soon as possible, and subscribe the channel so that as soon as I upload the video, you'll get that video and you'll be benefited by this type of educational video. So thank you very much for watching this video.